we, Kelompok 10, would like to present our group project Chatatan for Advanced Programming course. Chatatan is a line bot application that serves as a personal notes and schedule keeper with an additional share feature. If you wish to add Chatatan, the line ID and QR code link are provided in the description. So, without further ado, here goes how to use Chatatan 101. When a user adds Chatatan for the first time, a welcome message pops up which greets the user and briefly describes Chatatan. The user will see that we provide two main features, Notes and Schedule, and they can explore it by themselves by pressing the button. Let's start with Schedule. When the user presses the Schedule button, the guide for Schedule will show up to provide a compact yet detailed information regarding each sub-feature. When the user presses See Schedule for this week's option, the linebot will say No events found, since, well, the user hasn't added anything yet. This applies to Share as well. Okay, so I want to add some events to my schedule. The user should follow the input format. First, the event name, start time, end time. Then, the user is given the option to input either the date or day of the event. Last, we should say, is it a routine occasion or not? Non-routine occasions include family gatherings, flight, or train trip, while weekly or routine events include classes and organization meetings. What happens if we don't follow the input format? The inputs will be declined, but given a feedback on the format mistake. Let's add another event. Now, I want to see my schedule. When we press this week's schedule, we can see that there is no flight, while when we press next week's schedule, there is the flight. Let us add 10 more events to completely display Monday to Sunday schedule. Now let's see our schedule again, but instead of scrolling up to find the guide for schedule, the user can trigger Chatatan with random text to access the features again. When we press this week's schedule, voila! The events will be grouped by day. If the user wishes to change the details of the event, the user could edit it by pressing the Edit button. All the details will be shown with a disclaimer that we can only edit the event time and date. Let's edit the date to 30th. It is automatically updated, and then we can also edit the start time or event time. The user can then delete an event from their schedule or when they are editing the event. When we press Delete button, delete it. When we press the Delete button again, we provide consistency by ensuring the user that the event has been deleted. Same goes when the user tries to edit the deleted event. Back to schedule. Now, I'd like to search the events happening on June 30th. Alright, I have a flight. Thanks, Chatatan. Okay, now that my schedule is complete, I like to share it with my friend. User can select the options, similar to when they wish to see a schedule. When the user presses Share on any of the three, Chatatan will display the schedule details beforehand. Then, the user can share the schedule to any of their friends or groups. That is all for schedule. Now I'd like to go back to pick the Notes feature. Notes is actually very simple. Of course, we start by trying to see all notes, but again, no notes found. There is no particular format to write a note except incomplete notes such as, so the format will be write, title, and the content of the notes. Let's see all notes. Let's write some more notes then. And see all notes once again. Every 10 notes will be separated into a new flexbox. If the user wishes to see the content, just click on the corresponding note, then the note details will be shown with options to share or delete. Both of them are similar to event, where they can share or delete a particular note. And that is all for Chatatan's user manual. Thank you!